What's up, guys? Let me arrange everything. What's up? Good morning. I decided to enter live, no matter that today the market is a little bit strange, but I want to make an analysis together with you because I have something in my mind. But good morning, guys, but we'll see. Is there a possibility? I just saw that. Is there possibility for, let's say, something like this? Because we actually had a break here. I yesterday catch a absolutely brilliant trade from the bottom almost to the top here, and after that on the other way around. Yep, probably this will be the case. I'm not definitely sure about it, but it's still early, and I think that the price, because now it starts to make a good candle on 30 minutes, on 1 hour it's like a pin bar, something like that. I'm not so sure whether the price will start to fall from here, potentially, because I think that today we will be in a huge selling opportunity eventually, because there are also news, so we'll see what will happen. But just we have to have in mind that there is a possibility the price first to reach this area here, and after that to see a fall. Ooh, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Okay, it might just happen from now. Okay, guys, we are trading what we are seeing. We are not expecting, or we have an absolutely brilliant breakout on the RSI. Of course, we have to wait for the candle to close. Also, we have something like a trend line here, not something, but we have a trend line here. Let me erase these areas because they're not really important at this moment, especially. Because now I think if it starts to fall from here, yeah, the first bottom will be our first point of interest, breaking this area and potentially go to this area right here. However, good morning. However, I still believe that first the price will fulfill the take profit. Of course, this is a little bit strange and it might not be a head and shoulders at all. But we have to have it in mind. And if it's a head and shoulders, and I believe it looks good actually, because it breaks this area right here. It is from a strong area. You can see previous times we have rejections. So probably I think that today there is a possibility that the price reach this 30-minute order block here, or 1 hour, no matter, and to see a huge fall to at least to this bottom. From there, I don't know what will happen. Of course, if the price breaks the top, we're not going to see a fall, but I initially think that also you can see DXY made a correction. It might make a second correction, but this on 1 hour probably no. There is a gap also here, so this tells me that the price will definitely will go up. So how much exactly, I don't know. Yeah, we have news. Let me check them. I think I saw initial jobless claims and okay, continuing jobless claims, core prices, GDP, goods, trade balance, initial jobless claims. The forecast is to be the same. We'll see. So when there are many news like that, no matter that they are with, okay, this one very positive, forecasted to be very positive. We'll see about that. But when we have many news at 1 hour, they will probably make impact. To 525, yeah, that's the 30-minute order book. Why the 30-minute order book? Because when we start on 4 hour, probably we have to pick this candle, but as we know, to be a good, in this case, selling zone, we have to take the last bullish candle, not bearish. On 1 hour, probably we might catch this this candle, but on 30 minutes we have a good rejection pin bar, so I think this is our candle that we are looking at. Also, yeah, somewhere here we're going to start to look for sell. And if this one closes like that, I don't know whether it will be good for even for buying, but I probably will stay away from now. For now, I will not going to make experiments. Five minutes. I think it might worth the risk. Let me see. $70 pips, and the stop probably under this bottom right here. Just a second, guys, I'm writing something. Excuse me for a minute. I will also try this because I think that this rejection is good, and I believe that the price will make another rise until it starts to fall. That's why I will try to buy it to see what will happen from here. And if we see a huge rejection or some 5-minute candle to close under the trend line, probably I will get out with some 15-20 pips loss. So that's why I decided to jump in, because I think that there is a option to get out if something goes wrong. Very good morning. Good morning. So yeah, on 15 minutes it doesn't look so well, but we'll see whether my conception will be right. How was your night? Not very well, if I have to be honest. I can't sleep very well from some time now. I have many nerves on my head, on my shoulders, many problems, many things, and that is why probably I can't get a good rest, which then is a problem, because as I told you, I placed the stop loss under this bottom, but initially I will wait to see how this all will turn in the next 7-8 minutes, because on 5 minutes, if it starts to fall rapidly and closes under the trend line, I might cut the losses to 15-20 pips, something like that. Of course, we have to be careful, because the price is in the trend line, still in this trend line. So, but I think that it might rise, and initially the 4-hour candle to close under the trend line. We'll see. For now, the market is slow, but I think is good. So the take profit, I think, should be around 25. Not very good risk reward trade, but it is what it is. If you want to be a good risk reward, you can put the stop loss here, and it will be 2.5 to 1. But if this 10-minute candle closes somewhere here, I can tell you that it will be very good, because this will be a formation of candles. If you know, this is a morning star formation. It is a good formation. Okay. We want to see around 10 a.m. what will happen. Around 10:30 probably. You know that most of the times around 10:30 some volumes kick in and the movement starts. So just rectify. What does this mean? Oh, okay. I understand. Hmm. I might be wrong. We'll see. 30 minutes, 1 hour. I believe that it will not make a breakout right now. I think it might be the next candle. Of course, guys, if it starts to look bad at the closing of the 10 a.m. candle, we will get out of the trade. That's how trading should be done. So, okay. I was just about to say that DXY starts to go up, but that is not actually the case. But for now, really slow, not going very well. This 5-minute candle, we'll see. 14 seconds. Not closing very well. So our stop is still here. But let's see whether we will get some rejection or it will just start to fall. If it starts to fall, we're going to get out of the buy and it's probably to start selling. We'll see. It looks like there are volumes for selling right now. I will give it a little bit more time, but it doesn't look good for now. Probably because I expected that the price will reach this area, and that might not be the case. Let me make my stop loss. But let's see how this 5-minute candle will close, and we will think what we should possibly do. Oh no. Fly with me, let's fly, let's fly. Okay. Let's see how it will close in 1 minute. But I think it's going good. This will be our dynamic support and resistance area. We will see how the price will react around this area right here. I was thinking of entering another trade here, but I'm not going to risk it because still it's a little bit not early, but not as I wish it to be. Yesterday I made some mistakes on the copy trading. Initially I recovered all of them. So basically now accounts are almost on break even. So I have the tough job to end the week on profit because I promised to everyone that I will make it. So I will be very careful and not making mistakes. Initially I will be patient now to wait to see what will happen, and of course if it's not going very well I will exit with some small losses to wait to give me a better entry and stuff like that, because this is how a small account in my opinion is managed properly. Of course sometimes this leads to mistakes, but this is part of trading. Sometimes you make mistakes, sometimes you make good decisions. But now let's see. Ooh, GXY is going up. Not very. Oh, it's fulfilling the gap. But of course we have to be careful. Even if it starts to go around 10:30, the volumes kick in, and we have to be aware that it might start to fall then. So now it's not breaking, still not breaking here. I don't know, guys, whether you like this trading style, to go and look on the small time frames and stuff, but this is what I'm doing and it gives me a good success rate. So for now, no volumes to break this small 1 minute trend line. Dollar index didn't break the didn't fulfill the gap still. We are waiting for 1 minute candle to close above, and it will be a good sign for us. But for now it don't look very well, because dollar is pumping up, already fulfilled the gap. I am talking to myself. Come on, my friend, break, give us 50-60 pips to the zone, and then we are going to eventually sell it. Eh. Yeah. You don't want to break out, guys. Damn. But initially closed not so bad. But GXY is pumping, so probably yeah, we have to wait a little bit, but now it starts to look not so well. What? Which is not clear. Okay, now DXY starts to go down. Let's hope that this will return the gold up. Come on, motherfucker. Hey. They're pushing the gold, but still couldn't break the 1 minute trend line. Hey. Bad. I raised this, but I'm looking at this on my other screen. It starts to break and there is no power. GXY still pushing up. So guys, it might start to fall. I don't know. I really hope that it will not close with a breakout here, but we'll see. There is no power still. Again, look how the price is reacting to the trend line. In MetaTrader is even more clear. Let's hope that now in the last minute it will break out. But dollar is still pushing. Come on. Give it to me. It's still not ready to go in any direction. Where are you going now? Still so early. Okay. Still waiting for something to happen. But for now, absolutely no buying. There is also no selling pressure, but volumes hasn't kicked in still. I think around 10:30 the magic will happen, and we just hope that this magic is in our favor, not against us. Very, very slow. Now it made a breakout. On 1 minute, let's see what will happen now. Okay. Come on. Give us 20-30 pips, please. I will not going to curse you. Guys, are you here? Yes, sir. With you, sir. Okay, guys. Let's hope to see some pump right now for 50-60 pips. Dollar is falling, but gold don't have power to make a rise. Come on, Goldie. Give it to us. Come on. Okay. Okay. Engulfing candle. Continue to go up. I really hope to see some volumes, guys. I have to be honest with you. I really hope that it will get based on my expectations, but we'll never know. The market is I have to tell you, if you're not from many years on the market, at this moment the gold is very, very tough for trading. Things has changed through the years, and now the market is very, very strange, and it's very unpredictable. Huge movements, manipulations, and stuff like that. It's hard for trading, I can tell you. It's not the good old gold market. The only thing that bothers me is that on 1 minute there is absolutely no volume for buy. The price is really struggling. Let me show you what I'm looking at, because now there is something like a resistance here, and until the price breaks it with a whole candle, it's still, it's the same like down here. The price creates support and resistance, small areas. Of course this is on 1 minute, but until it breaks it, it won't starts to go up. So we are hoping to see at least closing above here with a whole candle. And I think after that, let's see now, after that we might see some push up. Until then the market will be very, very slow. But now it's 10:25 almost. Yeah, at 10:30 the volume starts to kick in most of the times on London session. So let's hope that, as I told you, these volumes will be in our favor. So the first area is at the top, which is 20-30 pips, depends where you entered, and the next area is up there. But let's not talk much, let's be patient. So guys, hit the like button on the live video if you like what I'm doing, and let's hope to catch some 40-50 pips today. Also, we have to have in mind that again, you have to be careful because there is a absolutely possibility that the price starts to push down. So we always have to think in both directions to trade what is happening, because if we trade on expectations, most of the times we will get disappointed and the market will beat us 100 times from 100 times. Don't fall. Just don't fall. I don't like that DXY is making huge falls. Gold is not moving. And if this was just the correction, now the gold might start to fall. Come on, gold. Push up. I think DXY has created a good order book down there, so I think it would fall a little bit more, which can match with a rise of the gold. And after that to see, but initially I think that the gold will fall today, but I just believe that it will happen from this area right here. Of course, if I'm wrong, I will get out if the candle closes under here with the whole body, with small loss. What should I say? Okay, it's almost 10:30. Let's see whether the market will give it to us or will take from us today. Come on. Come on. Go up. GXY is falling. Please test at least the top. Let the rhythm play. Yeah, right here, right here. Let the rhythm play on. Of course. 10:30 and the volumes kick for sell. That's not good. Absolutely not good. Buying pressure. We might have to jump out of the ship. We'll see. It depends how this closes on 5 minutes. Whether it will make a breakout. Slippery. Probably that is the word for the gold. Slippery. You can't be sure about its next move. That's why I'm not trading gold long term. I like day trading gold because if I stuck in the manipulation, okay, it will hit my stop loss. But if I am trying to catch some long movement, it might end with making 150 pips, 200 pips, even more, and then the price returns, and absolutely no reason to hold so much. But now it looks like it will close with a breakout, which in our case is not good, and we might have to jump out of the ship. I will move the stop loss here, guys, now. Probably on somewhere around 15. And if it breaks it, I will cut the losses. Okay. Mm. Are you gonna enter another trade? We'll see. Now I'm wondering. Absolutely stupidity. Guys, now it already starts to look good for sell potential because there is a breakout, but not super sure about it. Ah, fucked up market. What should I say? Okay, guys, let's wait to see what will happen from here, and we eventually, I'm going to post another trade later today. That was for now. You can see I probably rushed a little bit with these buys, but we can cut the trade if you want to. You can exit on small loss. So see you later today, guys.